Sometimes your iPhone can get lost or stolen, so then it's important to activate the feature Find My iPhone on your iPhone. In this video, I'll show you how to set up and use Find My iPhone on your iOS device. I'll begin by showing you how to set up Find My iPhone, then we will show you how to use it to track your device. If you have another iOS device, you can track your phone from Find My iPhone app. Setting up Find My iPhone. Open your iOS settings, tap your name, tap Find My, and select Find My iPhone. Tap the switch at the top to enable Find My iPhone. To see your device even when it's offline, turn on Find My Network, then tap the switch labeled Send Last Location if you want your device location to be automatically sent to Apple when the device battery is low. This way, you will be able to see the device last location if you run out of power. If you want to be able to find your lost device on a map, make sure your location services is turned on. Go to Settings, Privacy, Location Services, and turn on Location Services. To use the Find My iPhone, tap Find My iPhone app on your iOS home screen. Tap Devices. If you don't have a second device, you can sign into iCloud.com using a desktop browser on your computer or a mobile browser on a friend's device. Here you'll see a list of devices with Find My enabled and a map with their locations. Select a device. Swipe up on the handle to see your options. If it looks like your device is nearby, but you still can't find it, tap Play Sound. Your misplaced device will chime, and you'll hear this sound. Or tap Directions if you see it on the map and want to track it down. If your device is far away or in an unfamiliar location, you can mark it as lost by tapping Activate. This lets you remotely lock missing devices with its passcode and display a message with contact information in case someone finds it. Thinking your device is lost for good? You can erase it remotely by tapping Erase this device. However, once you do this, you won't be able to track your device and you'll have to restore it from a backup if you eventually find it. You can also use the Find My app to share your location with family and friends. To do this, tap People. If anyone has shared their location with you, you'll see them listed here. Next, tap Start Sharing Location. Find and select a contact and tap Send. And that's Find My, a one-stop shop for staying connected with your friends and tracking down all of your devices. Thank you for watching this video.